Would you like to know how to make our B.S Old Fashioned? I'm going to share with you our Boston Shaker Bar twist on the old fashioned recipe. Be sure to watch till the end, where I'll reveal the secret behind getting that smoky flavour infusion. A large ice. Hi, I'm Livi Robins, founder and owner of Boston Shaker Bar here at the Wharf Boulevard. If you'd like to see more of my how to make cocktail videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell to be notified as we upload more videos. If I was personally to describe the flavour of our B.S Old Fashioned, I would say it sits somewhere between boozy or dry and sweet. To make our B.S Old Fashioned, we use Old Forester bourbon whiskey, black walnut bitters, house-made sugar syrup, which is 50% sugar, 50% hot water dissolved to make a sugar syrup, measuring apparatus, mixing jug, and mixing spoon, and of course a strainer for the end. We use Old Forester bourbon here, so 50 ml of that goes into your mixing jug. Next we're going to add 7.5 ml, or about 10 ml of sugar syrup. And finally, black walnut bitters, just 3 dashes of that. So we're going to add ice and stir it down. We use ice to basically chill the ingredients, but it also melts down and it adds balance and flavour with the addition of water, essentially. Stir this for about 20 seconds. Have a little taste. Yep, good to me, good to go. We're going to serve this in a double old fashioned, and we're going to use a large ice sphere. The large ice sphere won't melt as quickly and won't dilute your drink as quickly. I'm going to garnish mine with a piece of dehydrated orange wheel. If you don't have a dehydrator, you could just use fresh orange skin. At the start of this video, I mentioned I was going to reveal how we smoke our B.S Old Fashioned here at Boston Shaker Bar. This here is a food smoking gun. This one is Breville. You can get it at any good white goods store. We use applewood and hickory chips, the fine kind. You can buy them here on the Sunshine Coast at a local business called Pictures. The beauty of our B.S Old Fashioned is it tastes fabulous even if you don't smoke it. So there you have it. Now you can make a B.S Old Fashioned in the comfort of your own home. See more of these videos by yours truly. I'm Livi Robins. Hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel.